Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 4 on Manipuri language, and this lesson will be on the future tense. So there will be three versions of the future tense. The first and second versions will be quite similar to each other. So let's start with the first version. I will eat tomorrow. I hayeng chaa-ge. I hayeng chaa-ge. Chaba to eat in future will be chaa-ge. The second example will be he or she will drink. Mahak thakkani. Mahak thakkani. Thakpa changes to thakkani. So let us see how the verb conjugation will be. And there will be two cases. The verb stem ends in P, K, T or S sound. You put kani after the verb stem. For example, leppa, lep kani will stand. Thakpa will drink, thakkani. Chatpa will walk, chatkani. And for all the other verbs, you add gani with a G. So chaba will eat, chagani. Tauba will do, taugani. Chienba will run, chiengani. Tumba will sleep, tungani. Thongba will cook, thongani. So for all the other verbs, you add gani, and P, K, T, S ending verbs, you add gani. And version 2 will be quite similar to version 1. So I will eat tomorrow in version 1 was I hayeng chaa-ge. In version 2, instead of gani, you use gadoine. So I hayeng chaa-ge. Or you can pronounce it a bit differently and say I hayeng chaa-ge. So these two are just the same form but different pronunciation, or you can say different accents. Personally, I use the second one, chaa-ge. Many people use the first one, especially the people from Imphal. So they normally use chaa-ge. So chaba changes to chaa-ge or chaa-ge. He or she will drink mahak thakka or mahak thakka. So again, you can use either of the two pronunciations. It is just a personal preference. And conjugation again will be quite similar to the version 1. So if the verb stem ends in P, K, T or S, you use the ka sound, K sound, and instead of kani, you use ka-doine. So leppa will stand, lepka-doine. Thakpa will drink, thakka-doine. Chatpa will walk, chatka-doine. And for all the other verbs, you use ga-doine, similar to the version 1 where you use gani. So here you use ga-doine with a G. So chaba will eat, chaga-doine. Will do, tauga-doine. Will run, chienga-doine. Will sleep, tumga-doine. Will cook, thonga-doine. So again, for all this doine, instead of doine, you can use duine, depending how you want to pronounce it. So let us look at some examples for these two versions. I will go tomorrow. You can either say I hayeng chatkani or I hayeng chatka doine, or even I hayeng chatka duine. And he or she will do ma na taugani, ma na taugani, or you can say ma na tauga doine or ma na tauga duine. Here ma is the causal form of he or she, and as we have discussed earlier, the subject marker na will be used normally when you are using the verb do. So tauba is normally associated with the subject marker na. So instead of just saying ma taugani, which sounds very awkward, like very unusual, so ma na taugani sounds more natural. And next we come to the third version, which is a bit different. So I will be eating. I charani. Chaba changes to charani. He or she will be drinking. Mahak thak ani. Thakpa changes to thak ani. And the conjugation for this third version will be quite similar to the present perfect conjugation which we had discussed earlier, or even something like the past continuous. But the thing to remember here is that ani will be associated with the future tense. This is the thing you need to remember. So for example, if the verb stem ends in vowel, if you remember from our discussions in the present perfect or the past continuous, R sound is associated with the vowel, verb stem which ends in vowel. So chaba will be eating charani, R sound, and along with that ani, which is associated with the future tense. So charani. Will be doing taurani, and again similar to what we discussed in present perfect tense, the verbs they mention t sound, the sound, you use la sound instead of r, and again you put the ani for the future. So chatpa will be walking chat lani, and if the verb stem ends in n, chenba will be running chel lani. So already you can see the similarities in the pattern between all this present perfect and past continuous and this the third version of the future tense. So following that similarity, you can now easily say if the verb stem ends in m or p, you just repeat the m or p and put ani. So tumba will be sleeping, tummani. Leppa will be standing, leppani. And again for all the other verbs, you just add ani. That's it. So thakpa will be drinking, thak ani. Yengba will be watching, yengani. So let us look at some examples of this third version. I will be leaving tomorrow. I hayeng chatlani. Also, one more thing is that I have used the future continuous tense for the third version and the simple future for the first and second versions. And there is no strict rule such that the learning from the third version should be used only for the future continuous or vice versa. But it just seems more natural, so future continuous it's better to associate with this third version. I will be sleeping. I tum mani. I tum mani. So these were examples in the third version, and that is it for the future tense lesson. And hope you enjoyed this lesson. And thank you for watching.